Come on stage, please. So, who knows number 26?
All right.
Okay, who has a bank account with number 26? That's
Only a few.
quite a bit. Tell Valentin, it's good these conferences, no?
Yeah, definitely.
So, how long are you at number 26, or N26 it's called now, I guess?
N26 is called now, yeah. So I joined earlier this year in January, and I just stepped up as a head of European markets.
And head conference attendee.
It's great, right?
Yes.
It's, yeah, so as you mentioned, unfortunately,
Yes,
he had
it's
investor meetings that you cannot escape from,
fine.
so
it's
should be good.
fine. No, we are very pleased to have you. And I think the number of active accounts you kind of report to the public, or at least Valentine always shared it. Is it above 1 million now?
It's 1.5 million.
1.5 million accounts. And you started in Germany, which is your original market, but now I think you are available in how many markets?
Yeah, Germany and Austria initially. Once we got the banking license, we started operating in 17 countries across Europe. Out of those 17 countries, our core markets were Germany, obviously, France, Italy, Spain, and Austria. And right now, we're just launching the UK. Actually, we just launched the UK. It's in beta phase.
Congratulations.
Yeah, and we will be opening it to public in the next weeks.
Okay. And so I'm an account holder now of N26. What are the kind of top 5 banking services customers use? You have a credit card?
Yeah, it's not that much about how many financial products you can offer. It's mostly how people engage with the overall service, right? And the banking is in the full mobile banking experience. So we do partner with other fintechs that would offer the typical traditional financial products, but our core product is basically the app in the mobile phone, and obviously the card associated. And you can do the mobile payments, and it's all around solving those daily financial needs that customers have.
Payments is obviously one.
It's payments, it's direct debits, it's all the, it's also maybe some lending and some savings as well.
Yes.
But for us, it's mostly about best user experience. So it's really be fully on the mobile, fast and secure sign up, no paperwork, customized and personalized experience in the app.
You can sign up
without any paperwork, all through
printing,
the phone.
Signing, scanning.
Absolutely. Once you sign up and afterwards as well, right?
You do video verification of the people?
We do video and we do photo verification depending on the market and the type of document that you come with.
And now there's a lot of people saying, yeah, but they get like the students who have no money, they're just playing around. Do you have the account holders or the, I'm just quoting some of the...
It's a very good point. So we do have, our target market is actually those digital generation, what we call the digital natives, right? That's the majority of our customers that are below 35 years old. They're not just students, they're also young professionals, right? They start traveling, our solution is also very good for that, but still, 40% of our customers are about 35 years old.
Oh, already, okay.
So that's actually quite an important metric, right?
And do you report like how much assets they keep with you? Is that a number you share?
Yeah, right. So our outstanding deposits right now are around 800 million to 1 billion euros. So in average, a bit less than 1,000 euros. But
to start, I guess most people have several accounts and they give N26 a chance, and then slowly but surely you see that the older the account is, the more assets, the more money they funded with?
Correct. So you don't have to divorce your bank to come with us, right? You can start trying us, and we see that the engagement happens over time, and that trust in us actually basically grows and builds up during the next 6 to 12 months. And we see more and more activity from each customer.
I really want to try it, but I don't think you operate in Switzerland yet, are you?
No, unfortunately not.
Is that because the Swiss market is like keeping the Swiss banking system very closed, or is it just not attractive enough?
I would say it's just not big enough. So we are a global solution, right? We're fixing a global problem. That's the most important, I would say, thing about N26. However, obviously, we started in Europe with a European license that allowed us also to enter the UK.
Okay.
We do plan to go to the US early next year. That's the plan. And obviously, we will be attacking other markets. We will be entering new markets after the US. But most probably not. Switzerland is not that big.
So Switzerland is not, well, hopefully for NOAH, Switzerland 2020. And the US market, I mean, we have out of Europe, and they're all here, Revolut, tomorrow Monzo is coming. In the US, do you have like competitors doing exactly what N26 is? You have this trading app, Robinhood, which is very famous, but they're kind of something different. Is there like a app banking provider in the US?
There's something similar, yes. There are a couple of solutions pretty similar to N26. However, well, this is not a winner-takes-all market, right? What we believe is there are other companies out there doing something similar.
No, I'm just trying to understand if the US market is structured different, right?
It is structured, well, it is structured differently because of the multiple banks that are around, but we are basically tapping into the traditional banking market, right? So we're really trying to get those customers from the traditional banks, not really from the other competitors like us.
But it doesn't sound very different to the European banks. It's the
Absolutely
same
not,
situation.
no, it's the same situation, the same global problem.
So you are in charge for geographic new markets, or so you are in charge for new kind of revenue opportunity markets?
No, I'm in charge of those markets that are already launched, that are already working out, and
so you have to scale there.
Exactly.
How do you
invest in growth.
How do you win your customers? I mean, I guess most of them sign up through word of mouth, and they see it at a friend, and
maybe it sounds a bit cliche, but it's
But can you go out and buy users? Is such an important service, which it's difficult to have people switch. I guess your argument is you don't need to switch, you just need to try us out. But what's your marketing? How do you grow markets?
So our biggest marketing effort is having a great product, right? That's because it really allows for that organic growth, that word of mouth, basically recommendations and friend referrals through the app. That's more than 50% of our growth coming from there. But we complement that with targeted performance marketing as well. Obviously, most of it online, right? Still, we're also doing branding campaigns, some out of home, and you can find us in most of our European big cities that we operate in the metro stations and in the undergrounds, right? So we are doing also some brand awareness and building that brand to basically just build that trust.
And I'm sure Valentine told me, but I forgot, and maybe not everyone knows. What does N26 or number 26 stand for, like the name?
Number 26, it really represents simplicity. There's a story around the Rubik Cube, right? It has 26 stones.
Yeah.
When you actually know how to solve it, it's extremely easy. With 26 movements, you can actually solve the Rubik Cube. If you don't know how to solve it, it's impossible, right?
Okay.
So that's where it comes from.
I have never really managed. So earlier we talked about other fintech companies, and you are obviously a platform, and the idea is, or was, to add other fintech companies like a deposit solution and give them, or give your customers, your account holders, an opportunity to easily become customers of vertical product leaders. Is that a strategy, and how far is it? And shall we tell our many fintech companies who are here to contact you if they want to be on the platform? Or how open is N26 for third parties?
We are definitely open. That's part of our strategy, is being that platform. We cannot be the best at all financial products, right? So we do find the best products for our clients.
It makes also N26 more attractive if you are linked to all these other interesting, attractive products, right?
Absolutely. Right now, we do offer savings with Racing, for example.
Savings.
We do offer credit in different countries, and also we do offer overdraft, for example, from our own internal service.
And N26, how expensive it is to send money around?
It's free.
It's free.
The idea is that we believe in basic banking products should be free.
Banking should be free, right?
the basic things should be free, and then if you want to actually get some additional premium services, you definitely have to pay for them, right? But the good thing is that N26 is allowing that entry point for free, and moving money, sending money around is just extremely easy and for
I
free.
still haven't found a reason why I should not become a customer of N26. I mean, it's a no-brainer.
I really recommend everybody to try it out.
Okay, maybe I have to move back to Germany. Thank you so much. Really impressive.
Thank
Say
you very
hi
much.
to Valentine, and we hope
Thank
to
you.
see you back in
Take
Berlin.
care.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.